mid-1970. So I don't know whether you remember in one of my last videos, I think it was the Range Rover diff change. I said that I was going to change the radio, that's my guinea fowls, change the radio in my Land Rover because I'm sick to death of the music that's on Radio 1 and Capital. And the reason I say that is because the radio that I've got in there at the moment, for some reason, will only play Radio 1, Capital, BBC 2 or BBC 3 Classic, is it? Or BBC 4 Classic. And that's all I've got. So, Touch FM has gone. That was one of my favourite radio stations. Listen to 90s music all the time because I'm a person of the 90s, so I used to like a bit of raving. Yes, believe it or not, I used to rave. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to swap the radio that I've got for one of these that I got from China for about £23. Hopefully it didn't come with coronavirus ready loaded. Sorry, bad joke. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fit this into the Land Rover, and hopefully then I can enjoy some decent music of my choice. And I'll take you through the steps of doing it now. And here's the dash that I'm going to be changing. Okay, some of you might recognise it. I'm not promoting it. Everybody knows where they can get one from, you know. Right, what we're going to do is I'm going to take this out. I'm going to take the radio out. And I know that the cable's in there really short, so I'm going to have to unscrew it from its fittings first and take it out so that I can then cut the hole bigger where the radio is currently to fit the double din. Okay, so I had to buy some extensions for my ISO cables and for my aerial. You can see them here. So, that's the ISO cables extended. That's the aerial cable extended. Okay. Right. And I took this outside and I've trimmed it down. Hopefully that is enough. And the reason I've had to extend them is these have swapped sides. So that was on that side of the old radio and the aerial was on this side of that one, and it just wouldn't reach, also with the shortness that way. So had to be done. Which one is it? Antenna, that one. That goes in there. Right. That's bottom corner. That's the bottom one. Right. Oh, look at that. Can you see that? We have power. Oh, there's the on button. Better not play that too long. YouTube will probably take the video down for having some music on. We're going to turn that off. Yes, that fits. So all I've got to do is bend my tabs out now on the back of that, and then I'll put the bezel on. There is a reverse camera with this, but I'm not going to fit it today. I'm going to save that and probably do a separate video on that one to keep the video length down. I just want to make sure that I've got a radio in it for tomorrow when I go to work. just added hard. It doesn't sound very good because I'm under a carport. And that's it. Thank you for watching my video. I will make another video showing how I fit the reverse camera, which came with it, at a later date. And then I'm going to do another video, probably, how I install the same video, how I install the same radio into my Range Rover P38. Thank you very much for your time. Hope you've enjoyed the videos. Remember to like and subscribe. And there's plenty of other videos there for you to watch if you'd like to. See you soon.